If you have depression, the cause of your depression is not because you forgot to take Prozac. That's not what caused the depression symptom to begin with. Not because you have Prozac deficiency. There's a reason for the depression. Now, sometimes people just like have a mood. It's just like, I'm going through some hard times, so they feel depressed. That's different, right? Because there's also people who feel depressed because there's a biological reason for it, not because it's a temporary situation in their life that's really tough. So you want to make sure you're separating those two, because if it's a tough life situation, then you got to just deal with the life situation. If there's a biological reason, then you deal with the biological reason, because some people are depressed, but there's no reason for them to be depressed. That's what we're talking about here. Now, certainly some people can have a life situation that's causing them to be depressed, but now it's developing into a biological problem because there's a lot of stress associated with the things that's depressing them, right? Maybe there's not just depression, but there's also stress, and stress is really inflammatory. So it can certainly lead into a biological problem if you leave it long enough and you don't cope with it well.